Hello, all of my crafty friends. It is Kiona, the craft therapist, here today, and I wanted to pop in really quickly just to bring you guys a really short video to show you guys something that I'm really excited about, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am. So I was chosen as one of the Cricut individuals to try out the new infusible ink things. So I didn't open the box at all because I wanted to do it here with you guys. So we're going to do an unboxing, and then I think that later in the week I will go on a Facebook Live and maybe we can do a project together. So if you're not a part of the Craft Therapy Facebook group, make sure you guys pop on over. I will make sure that there is a link in the description, and hopefully on Tuesday or Wednesday we can do a project together. So let's see what we have here. All right, this is it. I'm going to move the box and I'm going to bring it all out on the table so we can look at it and see what we have. So as you can see, it comes in this box and this is how it looks. I'm seeing it for the first time with you guys. I'm super excited about this. So let's see what we get here. So we have a card. I think this is such an amazing idea. I cannot wait to see all of the possibilities that will come from this. And these are just, seems like little cards of some of the things they would like for us to do, or things that are available or that are coming in the kit. So cute. Look at that in a little bit. Let's get to the fun stuff. Tissue paper, don't need that. All right, we get two 12 by 12 inch sheets of the infusible ink transfer sheets. This is cherry red. My middle son will love this, so hopefully I'll be able to make something for him with that cherry red. Second, we get 4 sheets of 12 by 12 Cricut Infusible Ink transfer sheets. This is the Patterns Wildflower. So that's what that is. And it comes with 4 sheets. It kind of shows you what it's going to come with there. So we're going to get the blue, the yellow, some little florals. My daughter and my oldest son will probably love that. Next, we have some pins. Now, this is what I'm wanting to play with. I am so excited about these pins and the possibilities of the things that you can do with them. So I got the 0.4 basic set. It's kind of a reddish color, the green, blue, brown, and what looks like a black. Let's see if the actual colors are written on here. Yep. So we have cardinal, black, ultraviolet, tawny, bright green. So those are our colors that we have for those. Awesome. We get some heat resistant tape. This is the tape that would be used if we are doing something with the pins. So we have that. Lint roller. Ooh, ooh. Get a lint roller. Yay! Coasters. We get the 4-pack of the round ceramic coasters. I'm going to tell you guys right now, I do believe that this will be the project that we will probably do on Facebook Live. Unless I have a shirt in here that's an extra large size, then that'll probably be the project. But that's going to be it. I love these coasters. They're very sturdy. Awesome. So I'm going to put that there. Make sure you guys can see everything. Let's see. Oh, yay. We have a 14 by 14 inch Cricut tote bag. So that's going to be fun. And I think last but not least, we have a large men's Cricut t-shirt. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. So, and then here's the other thing. I don't know whether a lot of you guys know, but I don't have the Easy Press 2 as of yet. I was hoping for it to come out in a different color before I got it. So we will be trying it out with the Easy Press 1 and just to see how that goes. So this is everything that Cricut sent me. I am super duper excited. I'm going to probably do Facebook Lives for these projects. I'll do a project with each of the items that they sent me over the next couple weeks. So I hope you guys will come on over and join me with that, and let's see whether it's what we're expecting. I'm pretty sure it will be. And remember, it will go online at Michael's stores on Sunday the 16th. So for all of you individuals, especially our ladies who love to give themselves gifts for Father's Day, it'll be perfect. So we will be back on, I'm going to say probably Tuesday or Wednesday. So if you guys have a choice of what you would like to see me make something with first, pop me a comment below. Majority rules. So do you want to see the t-shirt, the tote bag, or the coasters? Let me know in the comments below, and I will be seeing you guys soon on Facebook Live to try this out for the first time. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. Thank you guys for coming in, and I will talk with you soon. Stay crafty.